Imagine waking up on a Monday morning. No alarm, no boss texting you, no anxiety about bills, no checking your account balance before buying something simple. Just peace. Now here's the crazy part. Most people think financial freedom is only for celebrities, tech geniuses, or people born into rich families. But that's a lie. Because the truth is, financial freedom is usually built by ordinary people who mastered a few uncommon habits. In your 30s, that is the most powerful decade of your life financially. You're old enough to understand money, but still young enough to completely change your future. In this video, I'm not going to give you fake motivation. I'm giving you a roadmap. The same mindset, the same strategies, the same habits, and the same psychological tricks wealthy people have used for decades to escape financial stress. And I'll explain everything through stories, because stories are easier to remember than advice. So if you're in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s, watch this carefully, because one idea from this video could completely change your financial future forever. Let me tell you about two friends, David and Michael. Both were 30 years old, both earned about the same salary, both had dreams of becoming financially free. But 10 years later, David was drowning in debt. Meanwhile, Michael owned investments, had multiple income streams, and could survive for years without a job. What happened? Did Michael win the lottery? No. Did he suddenly become a genius? No. The difference was psychology. You see, most people think financial freedom is about making more money, but wealthy people understand something deeper. Financial freedom is about controlling behavior. Money is emotional. That's why people buy things they don't need to impress people they don't even like. The average person increases spending every time income increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone. You make more money, you buy a bigger car. You get promoted, now you suddenly need luxury everything. And this trap keeps people broke forever. Michael understood something powerful at age 30. The faster your lifestyle grows, the slower your wealth grows. So while David upgraded his lifestyle every year, Michael upgraded his assets. David bought liabilities. Michael bought freedom. And that's the first secret of becoming financially free in your 30s. You must stop looking rich and start building rich. Because real wealth is invisible. Here's something nobody tells you. Poor people sell time for money. Rich people buy back their time. Let me explain. Most people wake up every day and trade hours for income. No work, no money. That's dangerous. Because if your income depends only on your physical effort, you are one emergency away from financial disaster. But wealthy people focus on systems, assets, cash flow, things that make money even while they sleep. And your 30s is the perfect time to build these systems, because you still have energy, time, and enough maturity to think long term. Here's what financially free people usually build: businesses, investments, digital products, real estate, YouTube channels, skills that scale online, dividend portfolios, automated income streams. Notice something? Everything creates leverage. One effort, multiple rewards. That's how the rich escape the rat race. And this is where many people fail. They only focus on active income. Instead of asking, how can I make more money working, start asking, how can I build something that keeps paying me? That single mindset shift changes everything. A young man once asked a millionaire, "What investment gave you the highest return?" The millionaire smiled and said, "My skills." Not stocks, not crypto, not real estate. Skills. Because skills create income, and income creates investments. One of the fastest ways to become financially free in your 30s is to become extremely valuable. The market pays for value. That's it. If you solve bigger problems, you earn bigger money. And today, there has never been a better time to learn profitable skills online. Skills like video editing, copywriting, coding, sales, digital marketing, graphic design, AI automation, data analysis, content creation. A single skill can completely transform your financial life. Look at YouTube. Some creators started in tiny bedrooms with zero money. Now they earn more in 1 month than doctors earn in years. Why? Because skills multiplied their income. And here's the beautiful thing. Nobody can take skills away from you. The economy can crash. A company can fire you. But if you have valuable skills, you can rebuild anytime. So if you're serious about financial freedom in your 30s, obsess over becoming valuable, because income follows value. Here's a brutal truth. One source of income is dangerous. The wealthy understand diversification. Most millionaires have multiple income streams. And no, you don't need 10 businesses tomorrow. Start small. Think layers. Imagine your income like building floors in a house. Floor 1, your main job. Floor 2, a side hustle. Floor 3, investments. Floor 4, digital income. Floor 5, assets that appreciate over time. This is how wealth becomes stable, because if one stream fails, the others continue flowing. Now let's talk about something important. Your side hustle may feel small today, but many million-dollar businesses started as extra income. A guy posting YouTube videos after work, a girl selling digital products online, someone freelancing from their bedroom. Small beginnings create massive futures. Never underestimate consistency. 1 hour daily for 5 years can completely change your life. Debt is one of the biggest destroyers of financial freedom. And the dangerous part, society normalizes it. Car loans, credit card debt, buy now, pay later. People are financing lifestyles they cannot actually afford, and every month their future becomes more expensive. Now listen carefully. The rich use debt differently. Poor people use debt to consume. Rich people use debt to acquire assets. That's a massive difference. One creates stress, the other creates wealth. A broke person borrows money for luxury clothes. A wealthy person borrows money for investments that generate cash flow. Financial freedom requires discipline. Sometimes you must delay pleasure. Sometimes you must say no. And honestly, that's difficult. Because social media makes everyone feel behind. You see people traveling, buying cars, living luxury lifestyles. But what you don't see is the debt, the pressure, the fake image. Never compare your reality to someone's highlight reel. True financial freedom is peace, not performance. Now let's talk about the thing that truly creates long-term freedom: investing. Most people think investing is gambling, but real investing is ownership. When you invest, you own pieces of businesses, assets, or systems that grow over time. And the earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Compound interest is almost magical. It allows money to grow on top of money. The wealthy know this secret early. That's why they invest consistently. Even small amounts matter. Let's say 2 people start investing. One starts at 25 years old, the other starts at 35 years old. The person who started earlier often ends up with significantly more wealth, even if they invested less money overall. Why? Time. Time is the real superpower. That's why your 30s matter so much. You still have enough time to let investments grow massively. Now here's the key. Stop trying to get rich overnight. That mentality destroys people. Most financially free people became wealthy slowly. Boring consistency built their fortune. Not hype, not gambling, not luck. Consistency. Let me tell you something shocking. Financial success is more emotional than mathematical. Most people already know what to do. Spend less, save more, invest consistently. Simple, but emotionally difficult. Because human beings are impulsive. We want quick rewards, instant pleasure, fast success. That's why many people stay trapped financially. The rich think differently. They think long-term. While others chase temporary pleasure, the wealthy chase permanent freedom. And one of the greatest financial habits you can develop is delayed gratification. The ability to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. This is why many financially successful people seem boring early in life. While others are partying every weekend, they are learning, building, investing, creating systems. And years later, the results become impossible to ignore. Remember this: temporary sacrifice creates permanent options. There's an old saying, you become like the people around you. And financially, that's incredibly true. If everyone around you wastes money, you'll likely waste money too. If everyone around you complains, you'll start thinking small. But when you surround yourself with ambitious people, your standards rise, your thinking changes, your vision expands. This is why wealthy people protect their environment carefully. They understand that energy is contagious. Mindsets spread, habits spread, ambition spreads. You don't need rich friends, you need growth-minded people. People who inspire discipline, people who talk about ideas instead of gossip, people who challenge you to improve. And today, because of the internet, you can learn from successful people globally. Books, podcasts, YouTube, courses, mentorship. Never stop feeding your mind, because financial freedom starts internally before it appears externally. Comfort is dangerous, very dangerous, because comfort kills ambition slowly. A stable paycheck can make people settle for survival instead of freedom. Many people spend 30 years working jobs they hate simply because change feels scary. But financially free people take calculated risks. They bet on themselves. They start businesses. They create content. They learn difficult skills. They embrace discomfort temporarily to avoid permanent regret. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying quit your job recklessly. No. Build intelligently. Build gradually, but build. Because if you rely entirely on one company for survival, you are giving away too much control over your future. Freedom requires ownership. Ownership of skills, ownership of assets, ownership of income streams, and ownership requires courage. Now let's make this practical. What do financially free people actually do daily? Here are habits that appear repeatedly among wealthy individuals. 1. They track money. Most broke people avoid looking at finances. Wealthy people study money carefully. They budget, track expenses, review investments, because what gets measured improves. 2. They read constantly. Knowledge compounds just like money. One powerful book can change your mindset forever. 3. They protect their health. Poor health destroys productivity. Energy is an asset. Your body is your first investment. 4. They focus deeply. Distraction is expensive. Financially successful people learn to focus for long periods. 5. They take action quickly. Most people overthink. The wealthy execute. Imperfect action beats perfect procrastination. 6. They think long-term. Most people think about this weekend. The wealthy think about the next decade. That difference changes everything. Now let's address the painful truth. Most people will never become financially free. Not because they're stupid, but because they never commit fully. They want comfort and freedom simultaneously. But freedom requires sacrifice. It requires discipline when nobody's watching. It requires consistency when results are invisible. It requires patience in a world addicted to speed. Most people quit too early. They try something for 3 months, see no massive results, then stop. But wealth rewards persistence. The people who win financially are usually the people who stayed in the game longer. They kept learning, kept building, kept improving, even when things looked slow. And eventually, momentum arrived. So let's simplify everything into a roadmap. If I were 30 again, here's exactly what I would do. Step 1. Increase income aggressively. Learn valuable skills. Become difficult to replace. Step 2. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Protect your cash flow. Step 3. Eliminate toxic debt. Stop financing unnecessary lifestyles. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. Even one extra stream changes everything. Step 5. Invest consistently. Focus on long-term growth. Step 6. Build assets. Create things that pay you repeatedly. Step 7. Master your mindset. Discipline matters more than motivation. And Step 8. Stay patient. Real wealth takes time, but once momentum builds, life changes permanently. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just talk about money, we talk about freedom. And remember, the goal is not to look rich. The goal is to become free.